Will Kucoin ever hit $100? There have been many price predictions out there, and many of them are saying that the coin can 10 to 50x by the end of 2025. With the price currently sitting at $17. In this video, we'll take a look at what the coin is, and the best price prediction by the end of the year. Many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. But the coin's price will also be impacted by the crypto market's performance and the adoption rate of and efficiency of the coin. For many people to take any coin into consideration, first we have to look at what the foundational principle is for the coin, and some of the catalysts and things that have to go right for the coin to reach those 10 to 50x numbers and how realistic those price targets can be. And we'll also take a look at a very realistic price prediction for 2025. An overwhelming number of analysts believe that the coin could go well beyond its previous all-time high considering mass adoption, an increase in retail investors and a combination of whale accumulation. The coin has not gained much popularity, yet despite its huge potential, it's regarded as one of the best cryptocurrencies to hold. First, in the coming years the performance of the crypto market will have an impact on the coin's price, considering the path of Bitcoin's price and the adoption rate following the implementation of network improvements. You also have to consider that we are now in a new era of cryptocurrency investments. Aside from the regular 3-year bear market to a 1-year bull market, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. So, what is Kucoin? KCS is the native token of Kucoin, which was launched back in 2017 as a profit-sharing token that allows traders to draw value from the exchange. It was issued as an ERC20 token running on the Ethereum network and was supported by most Ethereum wallets. The total supply of KCS was set at 200 million, and there is a planned buyback and burn until just 100 million KCS remain. Sooner or later, as the Kucoin decentralized trading solution goes live, KCS will be the native asset of Kucoin's decentralized financial services, as well as the governance token of the Kucoin community in the future. Kucoin has also announced that empowering KCS will be a key priority of Kucoin, and will build KCS as a killer product rather than a simple token, which is bound to further diversify the benefits that KCS holders can access. In the long run, KCS performs as the key to the entire Kucoin ecosystem. With the development of DEX and Kucoin, KCS will also be the underlying fuel and general token for future Kucoin decentralized products. More details will likely be released in the near future. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. KCS bonus is regarded as one of the best ways to get passive income. Users who hold more than 6 KCS can get a daily dividend, which comes from 50% of Kucoin's daily trading fee revenue. KCS bonus is a unique incentive mechanism for KCS holders and Kucoin ecosystem builders. The amount of rewards that users can get depends on the number of KCS held and the trading volume of the Kucoin exchange. Kucoin employs the standard encryption protocol that ensures that user data and data transfers within the system are hidden from other users. It uses a multi-cluster and multi-layer architectural system that can accommodate more than one transaction at the same time, ensuring system stability throughout every transaction. Besides being paid out as a dividend, KCS, as a utility token, is also used to pay for trading fees on the Kucoin exchange, allowing users to enjoy discounts of up to 80%. The use case of KCS also includes participation in the token sale on Kucoin Spotlight, as well as lock drop/burning drop on the PoolX platform. But this is not all, as KCS tokens also serve a series of other purposes on the platform. For instance, KCS holders can become Kucoin VIPs and users no longer need to have a huge BTC trading volume to unlock the reduced maker and taker fees. KCS can also be used as a payment method for shopping, making hotel reservations, buying gaming equipment and more. Considering all mass adoption takes place in Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see a new all-time high of $80 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time.